Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video today, we are going to look at icon set number 9 for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's dive right in. Icon set number 9 is the decrease indent icon and the increase indent icon. So, what this means is if I click on the increase indent icon right near a series of words or other text, it will increase the indent for the item. In essence, helping create a paragraph or maybe delineations in a list, and so on and so forth. If I click on the decrease indent icon, it will move the indent back for my document. And in this way, it is an easy way to start a new paragraph or to alter the margins of the document. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.